objective always is to deliver a flavor of the region that they are arriving to or a city that they are arriving to. We want to make sure they are comfortable in their entire journey. They feel at home when they are traveling from Dubai to the destination. Every menu that we curate is specific to a route. It is definitely taking into account of who is flying. Every city, we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach on any of our menus. It has to be curated for that specific route.
We start at least a year in advance, wherein we process all the data that we receive, all the feedback that we receive, the data about the preferences, and we work with what are the food trends that are coming up. And then based on those feedback that we receive, we start working on menus which are region specific. For example, for Dubai to Karachi, for the flight today, we have a chicken biryani. Emirates takes pride in doing the chicken biryani. We call it our signature. You can have a chicken biryani everywhere. However, when you have that chicken biryani on an Emirates aircraft, remember there's a lot of handling that has happened. That it requires a lot of processes which you might not do at home. So we have custom made the entire process to suit our airline passengers, so that the quality of the biryani is as good as a freshly made biryani which is coming out of your pot or which is cooked at home. Everything that we produce is clearly labeled with the right date code and the time and the person who is preparing the dish, so that we can trace each and every meal from the flight to eventually when it was prepared, who prepared it, at what time it was prepared, and when it was blast chilled. We have each and every day is denoted by a color, and this is, for example, today is Monday, and these are the red stickers for Monday. These are the handmade kachoris that are served on our premium cabins. So all food that is prepared goes for blast chilling through these conveyor belts. All the food is received on this side of the belt by our food safety team, who use integrated technology to monitor time and temperature for each and every food. And after blast chilling, they are put into holding chillers which are pulled out, and the food is pulled out by our assembly team. The assembly team is responsible for packing the meals as per the specification into casseroles or foils, depending on the class or the class where it's supposed to go. Before any product is dished or starts to get dished into casseroles or kit format, a Najan standard is prepared. The exactly same presentation needs to be followed by everyone, so that each and every casserole looks exactly the same. We have 4 cyclic menus. So for example, this month we have a cycle C which is running. Next month will be cycle D. After that will be cycle A will come back again. So A, B, C, D, and these cycles will repeat every month. This is our bakery area. Here we do all our baked goods like muffins, cakes, sponge, all the baked desserts. All our desserts are done in-house. So from the scratch. So if we are doing a cupcake, which has a frosting on top, from the scratch, the cupcake is made in-house, and then the frosting is made separately, and all of them combine to make a one dessert. So our team here makes around 16 to 18,000 cupcakes a day. Oh, these are our cake cutters, and there is no knife in this. The cakes are cut with water, and all the cakes are cut to the exact specification as we require through water jet. We are entering our cold kitchens now. This is where we produce all our cold appetizers, cold meals, and sandwiches. We want to make sure that especially the sandwiches, the bread that goes for the sandwiches is fresh as always. So remember, we are making around 70 to 80,000 sandwiches per day. How do we make sure that the bread remains always fresh? The breads are baked as close to the departure or each and every flight, so that the sandwiches and the breads that go for each of our flights remain as fresh as possible. After all these meals are prepared and they are dished, these are handed over to our flight preparation team, who arranges them into meal trays. Remember, if you see a meal tray will have several components, not just the main meal, but the appetizer, the dessert, but along with that there is chinaware, there's flatware, and then there is cutlery. There are other components such as maybe sachets of tea, coffee, water. All of these are prepared onto those meal trays, and these meal trays are again handed over to our ASL, or the ASI logistics teams, who assembles them and transports them as per the flight to different flights. These flights are handed over 6 hours before departure.